Hello and welcome to Hidden Magic Tarot. Today I thought I would walk you through how I do my daily draws. I don't do a daily draw every day, first of all. I think it's really important that we don't be so rigid in our practice. But today I really feel like doing one. Just a little background, I do a very deep practice with my card of the year. This year my card of the year was the Devil, and I do a monthly reading based on the card. And then from my monthly reading, I develop some daily draw questions that will help me go deeper into the messages from the reading. So this is my December 2025 reading. And one of the messages I got from this reading was to fill my creative well. I have been pushing really hard. Lately, I'm a tarot reader, but I'm also an art witch. And so I have been pushing really hard lately on items for my shop. I don't know, feeling maybe a little bit burnt out by so much production. And so I was really happy about getting this message from my monthly reading to remind me to fill my creative well. So one of my daily draw questions is, how can I refill my creative well? So let's do that one today. I'm gonna fast forward through my shuffling because it takes a while sometimes. So back in a minute. This card is yelling at me. Oh, the Seven of Pentacles. Amazing. So for me, when I'm thinking about refilling my creative well, I do think that this is helpful, is to be patient. I am a hyper-productive person. I grew up in the Midwest. It's a huge value to be working all the time, right? If you can lean, you can clean was a big message I've learned at home and going through work. And I take it into very inappropriate places like my creativity. And so when I look at the Seven of Pentacles as a message just for today, I think today is a day to sit back and rest, to observe, to tend to my creativity. Instead of, even interpreting the idea of refilling my creative well as a to-do list item that I have to cross off my list today, just take a step back. I've been doing a lot of work. Now it's time to interpret, observe, tend, witness. Just watch and see what happens. And I think it'll probably be pretty obvious as my day goes on what will fill my creative well. It's really bizarre how I already was thinking, oh, what can I put on my to-do list to fill my creative well today? It's an illness. So thank you to this card for sure for reminding me that sometimes you just have to step back and let things happen. You can't control them. You can't make them happen. You can create an environment where they could happen, but you have no control over whether they will. I don't do collective readings. This was a personal reading for me that I'm sharing with you in case it's helpful. If it resonates, please take it. Otherwise, just leave it. And I at least hope you got something out of the idea of doing that monthly reading and then basing your daily draw questions on that reading. My intention here is to always go deeper into my readings, deeper into my card of the year. It helps me to transform throughout the year. It helps me to pay more attention and be more mindful, be more intentional in how I go about my day.